Hi. This is a new Lean Thinking magazine on YouTube. By this video magazine, I wanted to tell you all the interesting things I find on the web about lean thinking, lean manufacturing, productivity and much more. Let us start with this issue of February 2020. A free webinar on Lean Office. A good article of Art Byrne on Lean Turnaround. 20,000 subscribers in the greatest video collection. If you want to be updated monthly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. A free webinar on Lean Office. Lean for You and Be Live Lean are two LeanVlog community members. Behind these names, there are Albertina and Florence. They are very long experienced Lean trainer. And they are offering a free webinar about Lean Office for Spanish speaker Lean thinkers. You can book the webinar by the link into the description. Art Byrne and a Lean Turnaround. Art Byrne is a great Lean thinker that wrote a famous book named Lean Turnaround. On the Byrne Post, he recently wrote an interesting article that answered to this question. What are the most important management changes needed to implement a Lean Turnaround? Worth to read. Link into the description below. Finally, our channel is going to reach 20,000 subscribers. And I want to thank you. To celebrate this goal, I am going to prepare the greatest Lean video course ever. There will be more than 100 videos curated by topics. This is the best way to train yourself and your trainee. By saving hours and hours of watching bad videos, I select and organize the best videos for you. You can pre-order this great collection that will be released in March. Only 20 copies at a special price. Well, this is the issue 1 of this magazine. I will appreciate if you could leave a comment with your suggestions and opinions to help this magazine to improve. Do not forget to like or share. If you are not a subscriber yet, and you want to be updated monthly about lean thinking, lean manufacturing, and productivity, subscribe to our channel now.